Hello, so the time is around 4 right now. We are in Agra, Uttar Pradesh, and we are at this very beautiful homestay which is called Villa 21, which is located in Jaipuria, if I'm not.
Jaipuria Sunrise Greens. This is a township here.
Okay.
It's a gated community, so it's very safe for the travelers also.
Okay.
And near to Taj Mahal also.
Yeah,
It's just
it's-
6.5 kilometers.
Yeah,
from
six
Taj
and a
Mahal.
half kilometers from
Yes.
Taj Mahal.
Yes.
So we have stayed here for 2 days, and it's been a wonderful experience. Thanks
Thank
to
you
the
so
host,
much.
very generous with helping us and guiding us throughout, like what to do and what not to
do. That's very
in
important.
and around Agra. So thank you, and we'll be giving you a house tour with the host, Abhay uncle and Kalani auntie. Okay, let's start the tour. So the house is a 4-bedroom house, right?
It's basically a 6-bedroom house. It's
Okay.
a proper homestay, you can say.
Yeah.
Because one room we keep to ourselves.
Okay.
3 rooms are on the ground floor, 3 are on the first floor.
Okay.
1 room we keep to us, and 5 are for the guests.
Sure. The rooms are very nice and like minimalistic, but very nice and pleasant to stay
Thank
in.
you so much. All done by my husband. His passion, interior
Okay.
decoration and all these things.
Very nice. The
It's
house
done
was,
by him.
the room was very comfortable, and the bathroom, I must say, was one of the cleanest bathrooms I've.
That's the main thing, being a lady traveler.
Okay.
I have been in this industry from last 25 years.
Okay.
And I used to travel 20 days in a month.
Oh,
India and abroad. So for me, for a lady, 2 things are very important.
yeah.
Bed and bath.
Huh.
And third, of course, breakfast. Because being a corporate traveler, you need a good breakfast.
Yeah, I can understand. If anything else is wrong,
Yes.
we can.
We can adjust.
Yeah.
We can still adjust.
But the bathroom and the bed are the
Yeah.
two
That
main
should
things
be-
when we are traveling.
That should be comfortable. We need to have a nice sleep. We need to have a nice breakfast, and of course, bathroom. Yes.
Yeah, I understand. I have experienced horrible ones here in India.
Yes.
So we'll be touring the rooms
This
first.
is the lobby.
Okay.
The ground floor lobby here. So we stay on the ground floor,
Okay.
and this is our kitchen.
Sure.
I'm sorry, it's in a shabby state.
No.
Because we just had lunch.
Yeah, not everything is as aesthetic as it seems in real life. You have to bear it for practical
Yeah,
reasons,
this
right?
is the floor where we stay.
Okay.
1 room is with us.
Yeah.
And 2 rooms are with the guests. So at present, we cannot show you those rooms.
Sure. I understand.
And here we do a lot of cooking demonstrations.
Yeah, I've seen
For the
videos
foreign
and
guests.
photos in Airbnb of
Yes.
foreigners cooking
For the foreign guests, they like doing all these experiences. as well.
activities.
So we do a lot of experiences like Holi festival, Diwali
Okay.
festival. In Holi and Diwali, we have near about 70 to 75 guests
Oh.
celebrating the festival with us.
Here in the house.
In the house.
Very nice.
And we have a place outside also.
I did not know that.
Yeah. And we do a lot of cooking demonstrations in which we majorly have group tours.
Oh,
So
yeah.
every-
Uncle mentioned like
Yeah.
bus of 30 to 40 people used to come every day.
Every day.
But because of the pandemic, it is
It is
down.
all. It is all stopped. There are
Can
no
I ask you a
foreign
question if you
tours.
don't
Yeah,
mind?
please.
Like, what was the occupancy rate before the pandemic hit, and what's the occupancy rate?
Before the pandemic, it was 90%.
90%.
Not only for the stay.
Okay.
Of course, we used to do a lot of experiences, as I told you, like
Yeah.
making of garam masala.
Okay.
You would think, what is it? I mean,
Hmm.
it's such a simple thing for us, but for foreigners, this is something which really, excites them.
It is very unique for them.
Very unique for them. So we have made about 12 experiences like this.
Oh.
Bollywood dancing is also there.
Nice.
Henna and all is also there.
Okay.
So many experiences, and they used to enjoy coming here. But nowadays, I would say it has just started. I think July we have started.
Yeah.
Because May, June again was a
A
lockdown.
lockdown.
July we have started, and July was near about 10% occupancy.
Oh.
August we little bit picked up 20%, and
That's,
September 25-30.
70 to 80% drop.
Absolutely, lot of drop for tourism.
Yeah, tourism industry, and mainly because the Taj Mahal was closed.
Yes, it has been badly hit, and the problem with us is the tourism people that it is the first who gets disturbed.
Yeah, and
it is the last who gets revived.
yeah, it takes very long to revive.
Yes.
Yeah, I can understand. So I wanted to ask you, like, there are around 200 Airbnbs in and around Agra, I guess.
254.
You are ranked
Fourth.
fourth.
Yes.
Like, what makes you unique from the Airbnbs present in Agra?
See, there's a lot of difference between homestays and guest houses.
Yeah.
So mainly which are registered here are guest houses, no family is staying there.
Okay.
So you will not have an experience. There would be a servant and you'll come and stay in the house, but you'll not feel that family sort of a thing. Like in the beginning you said do's and don'ts. In UP it is very important. Do's everybody knows what to do.
Don'ts.
But
Don'ts
what
is
not
very
to do,
important
That is very, very important.
in order to for the
Absolutely.
travelers to be safe.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So that experience is only given by few of us. I would not say only us.
Yeah.
But only few of us, and that is the reason in 4 years we are ranked on position 4.
Oh.
And even on TripAdvisor we have been given the Excellence Award 4 times.
Okay.
Now if we get next year also, we'll be in the Hall of Fame.
Oh, very nice, very nice. Uncle told me that you were ranked 10th in something across the world. I don't know what. I don't remember exactly what he told.
Okay. No, that might be Booking.com. He might be telling you about Booking.com.
Okay.
Because in Booking.com, normally people don't get a 9.5 rating.
Oh.
But we have a 9.5
Yeah.
rating in Booking.com.
I wanted to ask you one more thing. What was the pricing like before the pandemic? Like for the homestay to be fully occupied?
See, fully occupied, we never used to get these fully occupied or something because we used to sell room wise.
Okay.
So it was not much, but it was near about 3,000, 3,500
Per room.
per room.
Okay.
Inclusive of breakfast and taxes. But now it is just the half.
Oh.
Even
We got it for a good price, I must say.
Even
Lucky.
Even after doing it half, we are not getting much of business because there
because
are
of the
not
pandemic and the current scenarios.
Not much tourists here in Agra.
Yeah, major of them would be foreigners, I assume.
Here, yes, we only used to cater foreign tourists before
Oh,
the pandemic.
okay.
Because see, in a home, like you are an Indian, I am an Indian, you would not love the experiences we do because you already know about
Yeah.
it. But being from South India, at least you know about the don'ts in a home. But for foreigners, it's a different world. Like when does my child goes to school? What does he do in the school? So it was always filled with foreigners. Somebody sitting there, somebody reading books, asking questions. For them it's very important.
Okay. You worked in Taj for.
Yes, I worked in Taj for 10 years.
Okay, at what position?
I initially started as reservations manager.
Okay, and you climbed up to
Now I am a general manager.
general manager. You work.
No,
work right
only
now?
for 10 years I was in Taj. After
Okay.
that, for 14 years I was with another brand.
Okay.
That is Orcha Resort and Orcha Palace Hotels.
Okay.
I was general manager sales there.
Yeah.
But now I am working in a heritage property.
Okay.
That is Hotel Grand Imperial Agra as general manager.
Oh, very nice. Very good to know. Like you have put
Yes.
all of your thought and experience into the
Absolutely,
homestay.
absolutely. That is very
That's
clear.
why it is very comfortable and like there aren't many mistakes like you can
That has
point
helped
out.
me a lot, and that has helped me in gaining the business also.
Oh,
I
yeah.
know
You know how what to do in the
Where
business,
to do the marketing and who to
where
approach.
the clientele and the market, everything. So we'll go upstairs and we'll check out.
Okay.
Yeah. There is another floor above, is it?
No, we haven't made. We have a provision. We can make rooms there.
Yeah, I saw there was a door over there.
Yes, but the thing is that if we make more rooms,
Yeah.
it is not very personalized. It becomes like a hotel.
Yeah.
So this is another lobby which we have on the first floor.
Okay.
The tables which you see here, they are actually for cooking demonstration.
Oh.
When we used to have large groups and all, we used to do the cooking shows here.
Okay. You used to do it here? There's
I
a
used to
kitchen.
demonstrate here.
Okay.
People used to sit here and stand here. And we used to have a small buffet there.
Oh, nice. We didn't get a chance to try out the food you guys
Okay.
prepare. Like our schedule was tight.
It was absolutely tight. Yes.
So
It was
that's why
little late.
I loved these like
wall?
artifacts and
This is a selfie wall basically.
okay, like
Yes.
I like these
the guests like taking selfies here.
mini statues of Buddhas and everything. So this is the amenities section. I would
Yeah,
say.
you can see amenity section. The tea coffee maker is here.
Okay.
So anybody staying, we haven't given tea coffee makers in the rooms.
Okay.
It gives a very hotel-like of a
Hotel experience.
Yeah, we like people to sit here, mingle with each other. So that's the reason we have given this facility here.
This is a unique selling point of the property,
Yes.
I must say. And this is the hall area.
Yes.
This is the room, our room actually. We just cleaned it because I was going to tour it. A little dirty, I must say, but
No issues at all, but still.
I'll just turn on all the lights and everything. So this is the room we've been staying in. And uncle mentioned that these beds are very unique and
These mattresses, I would say, they only you'll only get these mattresses in big 5-star deluxe hotels.
okay, what kind of mattresses are
They
they?
are Hush mattresses. I mean, the company is Hush, but they are spring mattresses.
Okay, orthopedic.
Yes.
They are
Very, very comfortable. You'll get a shape of your body, you know, once you are on that.
Yeah.
And you'll get a nice sleep.
the bed was very comfortable. So this is the bathroom, the most important part of the stay. So the bathroom is very clean. We used it for 2 days, and I know.
See, we have been running it from last 4 years, and everybody thinks that it's new.
Yeah, I was shocked to know that the property is 7 years old.
And yes, ground floor is 7 years old. This one is 4 years old.
Okay.
But still, you know, everybody says that it's newly made.
Yeah, what's the secret to such a clean bathroom?
Maintenance. My husband is very, very particular about maintenance.
Okay, you guys hire professionals to do it?
Yes.
Okay, the bathrooms are very clean. I'm saying it repeatedly, but I know that it is
you
very
don't get it in good hotels also. That's the reason.
Yeah, they are using the room. So this area is for.
This is a small store sort of a area.
Okay.
Store sort of a area.
Yeah.
My husband said that, you know, I don't want a typical store to be made.
Yeah.
Because once you make a store, everything goes and dumps in.
Yeah.
So this is basically our store.
Yeah, these are locked. I tried opening them.
Yeah, but these are all locked.
Okay.
And it doesn't look bad also. You know,
Yeah.
If it's covered like this.
It looks quite neat.
Yes, and these are the books if in case people want to have a knowledge about India. Especially
Yeah.
for foreigners.
Okay, most of the clientele which you used to get were foreigners.
Yes.
So this room is ready, so we can tour this room also. This is the second room.
This is a family room.
Okay, I thought so because the bed was very
Yes,
big.
The bed is very big. It can be separated also. We can
Okay.
make it 2 beds also.
Yeah.
And when we combine it, it's near about 8 feet.
Oh.
The king size bed is 6 feet.
Okay.
And this is 8 feet.
4 people can
So four
easily
people-
fit into it.
Yes, 4 people can easily fit into it, and
Yeah.
we can put 2 extra beds in this room.
Okay.
Because the size is little bigger.
Yeah,
This particular.
like I think you used to put extra beds before
Yes,
when you
yes.
used to sell it
If in
room
case-
wise.
Yeah, if in case, you know, there's a requirement, some people say that we are 10 people, but we would like to stay aloof, like only in 3 rooms.
Okay.
So in that case, we put extra beds.
Yeah, sure.
Still.
This is the bathroom. I haven't been to this bathroom. This is also quite neat.
Everything you find here quite neat only.
Yeah.
Maintained. Because we think, I think that if I go.
Yeah, somewhere. Would I stay there?
Yes. So in that manner only we have made everything.
Yeah. What's the difference between Airbnbs in India and across the world? Like India, Airbnb is not so popular.
Airbnb, it is becoming popular, especially in South South and West.
Okay.
Not in this part,
Okay.
in North India. Because people, you know, they don't know what is Airbnb. And
Yeah.
if I talk about North Indians, they don't like to stay in houses. They like to, if they are on holiday, they would like to stay in
Hotels.
Not homes and all. But why South Indians and West Indians and they are all comfortable here? Because there's a language problem, there's a food problem,
Yeah.
and then there's a myth
Cle-
there, not myth I would say, but that, you know, people here
Are a little harsh.
are, yes, so if we stay with a family, they
It is
will be-
it is a better thing to do.
Yes,
Like
yes.
they prefer that.
Yes.
Like
it is becoming famous.
Airbnb is like the upcoming thing, I
Yes,
must say.
it's very safe.
Yeah.
Very important. It's both ways.
Huh.
We can also judge the guest, you know, if
Uh-huh,
somebody
yeah.
is not is very harsh to us,
Yeah.
or he creates
You might have
nuisance.
experienced that.
We have very
Yeah.
less, but we have not
Yeah.
in foreigners but in Indians.
That's why you notch the price up a little bit, I guess.
Yes. And this is our kitchen. We
Okay.
haven't kept mini bars in the rooms
Yeah.
purposely because we, as I told you, people should mingle with each other.
Yeah.
They should come to places, sit with each other. So we have a refrigerator here, washing place. We have an induction here, and we have a microwave. And all the utensils are inside.
Yeah.
Why we don't give a gas? Because foreigners normally don't know the use of gas.
Like it will be a safety disaster, I must say.
Yes.
The Airbnb was a wonderful experience staying here in Agra.
so much.
I would definitely recommend like my friends, if they want to visit Agra, I would definitely recommend
Thank
that
you.
they stay here.
Thank you so
And
much.
yeah, that's it, I guess. Is there anything you want to add?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
I think
So
you've asked all the questions.
so yeah, that's it from Agra. We'll be leaving to Delhi at 5:30. So it's getting late. I must head up. Thank you, auntie. Bye.